Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. So in this video I'll be showing you guys how I achieve these braids, how I mixed the color and which colors I used, how many packs I used. So without wasting any time, please get into it. So for this look, I used one pack of Darling 1 Million in the color white, and then I used an expression pack in color 33, and then I used 2 packs of Darling color 27. I was supposed to use 6 packs, but then they ran out of the color 27 in the expression, so I ended up getting 2 color 27s in Darling. So here you see I am mixing the hair. Mix little by little because you don't want to mix the whole batch and then the color doesn't turn out to be what you want. The 5 packs made 4 bundles of hair. Just make sure that you thoroughly comb out the hair so it doesn't have knots or tangles. In this step you can add all moisturizer, Vaseline or whatever so that it doesn't tangle. Now when you get to this part, you want to flat twist the hair tightly. You don't want to roll it around, you just want to flat twist it tightly around the flexi rod. This is the part that's going to be this is the part that's not going to be braided. So the reason why I'm making it a flat twist is because I kind of wanted like a body wave look, and not like a Jerry Kaela type of vibe. So this is the best way to achieve that. Now when you're done with the whole process, you want to put the hair in boiling hot water for like 10 minutes. And then when it's fully dry, probably the next day, you can unravel the hair. And be really careful when you're untwisting it. Make sure that it doesn't tangle because that can really ruin the curl pattern that you just made. Also, don't untwist the hair while it's still wet because that can also ruin the curl pattern. Wait for it to fully dry and then you can unravel the hair. So with this color here, I just mixed color 33 and color 27. So this is how it looks when you just mix those two. And this is how it looks when you mix all 3 fibers, color 33, color 27 and the white. And I didn't really mix in a lot of white because it wasn't the look that I was going for. So this is all of them. The time now is 1:20 a.m. I started doing this when it was like around 11. Okay, anyway, I'm done with the whole hair, but I left out a bit of hair because I just want to show you guys how like it's supposed to look and how I achieved this whole look basically with two. So basically this is the hair. Obviously, like, this was one thing, and then I separated it into 3 strands because I'm doing a knotless braid. So if you're not going to be doing a knotless braid, there's literally no need for this. So I've done a tutorial on knotless braids, but anyway, this is the easiest method for me. I just braid like I would normally braid. Honestly, this is easier when you're doing your own hair. There's other methods that you can use when you're working with other people's hair. This literally has taken me over 12 hours now. Over 12 hours. Guys, there is no pain in suffering. I mean, there is no there's no glory. Yes, that's the word I'm your English. There is no glory in suffering. If you can afford to get someone to do your hair, go get someone to do your hair. Because wow, 12 hours. So I'm basically just braiding. Now I'm done eating all my pieces. If you're someone that's not really used to working with like canocolin fiber, then I suggest you moisturize the hair after you after you combed it, after you like blended your hair together, and then I want you to comb it, and then apply like Vaseline or oil moisturizer or like a braiding spray or something, just so the hair doesn't tangle, because now it's tangling. And then for someone that's not really used to working with these fibers, because they can just be so gangster and go ghetto on you. So just be really careful about that. I prefer moisturizing it afterwards. I'm going to show you. Also, I ran out of fiber. So I suggest adding like 2 or 1 pack, depending on the brand you're using. So obviously, if you're using Xpression, you want to add 1 pack. But if you're using Darling all the way, then add 2 packs. And 2 packs of which color, ne? You can use 2 pack or 1 pack of the color that's gone. Wow. 2 packs of the color that's going to be dominant. So for me, the color that's dominant is color 27, ne? Or is it 33? It's 27. That's dominant. So I should have like gotten an extra pack of color 27. Anyway. Oh. Ghetto. I'm done with this one. I'm gonna cut it way too. Also, it doesn't matter where you tie it. And I find that like don't make it so uniform. Don't make it so uniform, guys. Because I don't know, I just don't like it doesn't look natural. It doesn't look natural when you make it uniform. Okay, now you're gonna take, you see now it's freezing, eh? So you're gonna take your oil moisturizer or your Vaseline or your braiding spray, whatever it is that you're gonna be using. You can even use like an oil, any hair oil, doesn't matter, just something just to keep the hair from like tangling. And okay, I don't think there's a need for me to cut this one. Where is it now? Okay, the easy one, you see? Okay. I am done. Okay, I want to show you. what I ended up doing. I ended up mixing color 30 because I had like an extra color 30 and the white was remaining. I still have the white remaining, like half a pack. So you're not going to use the whole pack of white unless you want white to be dominant in your mixing. I mixed color 30 and the white, and I had like a little color 27 lying around, and 99J because I wanted to darken it up because I really like how dark color 33 looks. So yeah, but okay, this is the, I do have like a few, if not two, I think I have like one or two braids that are just color 30. So I'm gonna show you. Okay, this is the, you see, it's I'm looking child. Okay, here it is. This is the color, this is when like, this is the color 30. You see, and also this one I curled it after I was done with the whole thing. So you see how different they look when you pre-curl it and when you curl it after you're done with the whole hairstyle. Honestly, I like this one better. This one is also nice, but then like everyone is doing it, so this one is very different and very free spirited and whatnot. But I really like it way too, and it's giving. It's giving. I think it's giving. And I'm gonna like make a video on how to style their hair and everything. It's giving Beyonce, Miss Knowles Carter, child. Oh, I'm so obsessed with the color. Oh my goodness. Like what? My name Beyonce. Yep, that's me.